Subaru has always been committed to keeping you, your passengers, and those around you safe. That's why we introduced Subaru EyeSight driver assist technologies back in 2013. EyeSight looks ahead to anticipate danger and includes a suite of advanced features. Pre-collision braking is designed to avoid the most common type of accident, rear-end collisions. You're driving on a busy street, and abruptly, the car ahead of you comes to a stop. If there's not enough time to react, the pre-collision braking system can apply the brakes and, in an emergency, even bring you to a full stop to avoid a collision. In fact, rear-end collisions are cut by nearly half for vehicles equipped with emergency braking systems. In addition to pre-collision braking, available automatic emergency steering can help avoid a potential collision. If EyeSight detects that you have enough space within your lane and no oncoming traffic, it can automatically apply the brakes and steer you around the stationary obstacle in your path. Rear-end crashes can also happen when you're driving at slower speeds. The light turns green, so you press the gas pedal, but the car in front of you hasn't moved. EyeSight can detect the stopped car and reduce power to the engine, giving you more time to respond and slow down to avoid an accident. Subaru's safety technologies aren't just helpful in traffic, but also on longer drives. When you set advanced adaptive cruise control and select your preferred speed, EyeSight watches the road ahead to help maintain a safe distance from the car in front of you. And it can even bring you to a full stop if necessary. When you turn on lane centering, EyeSight monitors lane markings to automatically help keep you centered in your lane. It can even guide you smoothly around curves. Even when you aren't using cruise control, EyeSight can still help you stay safely in your lane. If you begin to stray outside of the lines without signaling, EyeSight can alert you. And with lane departure prevention activated, if you don't correct quickly enough, the system can automatically help steer you back into your lane. That's the reassurance of having an extra set of eyes every time you drive, because there's safe, and then there's Subaru Safe.